This video is a follow-up to my previous Sony Vaio X505 video. You can check out that video if you want to see the full teardown, upgrade, history, and specs. Since making that video, I've acquired a few more accessories and some factory recovery media. Starting out, here's the case. I had this before. It's got the custom wedge shape to fit the Vaio, a Velcro side panel, and a felt-lined insert. Next, this Vaio came with a smart media / SD PC card reader. This is the first one of these I've ever had. I have a lot of compact flash to PC card adapters, but not SD card. So here's the bundled Wi-Fi card that would have come with it. It didn't come with Wi-Fi built in. This isn't the exact model. This is the C800S as opposed to the C300S. The only difference being this is 5 GHz dual band. The S for silver, although mine seems to be yellowing a bit. There's also a B version that was black. But I really like how the external antenna is more flush to the laptop. It's more sticking up vertically rather than sticking up horizontally, like pretty much all PC card Wi-Fi adapters I'd seen before. So here's my original Japanese Windows XP recovery media. I was looking all over the internet to try to find this. It didn't seem to be posted anywhere. This is a fairly rare laptop. It also didn't seem to use a factory recovery partition, but about a week after I posted my original video, a set of these came up for auction and I quickly picked them up. I'll be uploading all these discs to the Internet Archive as well as a ghost image after installation. It also makes a driver folder after installation. I'll zip that up and upload it as well. So now we just need to find the English recovery discs. It is possible to install an English language pack in the meantime, which I've done before. So now let's take another look at Windows XP, but this time it's just after a fresh install using the factory recovery media. Again, there's nothing too surprising here. In my previous video, it still had the factory install, but it had been customized a lot by the previous owner. They had changed applications, installed things. Here we have our preloaded Norton antivirus, wanting us to set it up. And we're also prompted for the Vaio product registration app. Taking a quick look at that. Next, Sony notebook setup. This shows us some basic computer information and then lets us configure a lot of the same options that we can in BIOS. Next, a few links that just seem to open local HTML pages with product information. This first one is for Image Station. Next one for the Game Center. Next we have Vaio Media, which would let us share different videos, images, photos across different PCs on our network. Vaio Synchronizer is a similar app. This one lets you synchronize different folders across different PCs on your network. Taking a look at the Updater app, this won't work because obviously the back end is no longer there. We have a diagnostics app. This is the first time I'd run into this app. I'll let it run through, speed it up. This next one seems to be an online service similar to AOL. Can't really do anything, but it does have a little bit of a demo built into it. We have a PDF-based manual. Previously I had a bunch of user-installed Vaio-related wallpaper, but here we can take a look at what actually would have come with this machine. Taking a look at the system properties. But that's it. Thanks for watching.